Greetings, this is QT with Life Spark 6. Trees hold an exceptional power. They teach us things just by being there. They stand and they look as though they're absolutely still, but actually, within them, nature is moving deep underground and high above in their canopy. So what does this teach us? It helps us to realize that actually, by being still, we can see more. And we can be part of something bigger than ourselves. So try staying still. Try just to be still and see what happens. See what you see and hear what you hear. This is QT saying, stay blessed.